Okay, it is in sport mode. Let's verify that. Get into here. It is in sport mode.
Bill the Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. The Fimi X8 SE 2020 has been a fantastic drone. I have been more than pleased with it. Well, recently I went out and I tested the Fimi X8 SE 2020 in sport mode. I wanted to see how it would do going out over to both ends of the lake. So without any further ado, let's roll that clip in its entirety.
Okay, it is in sport mode. Let's verify that. Get into here. It is in sport mode. All right, we are now ready to go. Let's go ahead and get the camera started. Make sure we are recording. Okay, let's go ahead and take off. We're up to 13.1. I'll let it sit there for a minute. And it is pretty stable up there. Okay. Okay, we're testing sport mode tonight here. You're gonna get up to right around 100 feet. Okay, we're at 100 feet. I'm gonna go ahead. We're gonna head out toward the far end of the lake there. Let's see if we can achieve the top speed. And it is zooming here, folks. 42 miles an hour. It is really motoring. Already at 1,000 feet out. I'm gonna hit the bank pretty soon here. Wow, that was fast. Okay, we're gonna turn it towards the other end of the lake here. And I need to, I forgot to recalibrate the remote here. Okay, failsafe return has kicked in for some reason, and I don't know why. So that's rather interesting. So we're going to go ahead and do this return, then we're going to take it back out again here. Absolutely no idea why that happened. But we're going to kind of reset things. We're going to get it back here, and then we're going to try this again. We should hear it any second now. 400 feet away. I am hearing it finally. 300. Definitely very loud right now. When we get overhead, I'm going to go ahead and disable fail-safe return to home. All right, we disabled that. We're going to fly to the short end of the lake, and then I'm going to fly to the long end of the lake, and then we're going to come back here. So let's go ahead and do that. Hitting 38 miles an hour. I'm getting a little bit of props in the shot, so I'm going to back off for a second here. We are at the edge of the lake. That is fast. This drone is very fast in sport mode. Okay, and we're going to point it towards the other end of the lake. Okay, and we're going to take it out over there. It gets up to speed very quickly. Very impressed with sport mode. Okay, we are at the end of the lake. Okay, we're going to turn around here. Okay, I got disconnected. So we're going to engage. Don't know. Yeah, I'm getting some. I'm going to go ahead and do that. There's probably some interference out there. I just got another disconnected here. And another disconnected. But it is on its way back. I'm just getting all kind of interference here tonight, guys. I don't know what's going on. It's 400 feet away. I can hear it. We're going to adjust the pitch of the gimbal. Can hear it loud and clear right now. It is almost overhead. And let's see how we do in locating the landing pad. Okay. Landing pad not detected. Low battery. Okay, we're going to work on that here. We're working on that. Landing pad is now detected. And this isn't looking too good. Okay, it is. The drone is adjusting itself. It continues to adjust itself. And we got 3 of the 4 on the pad, so that was successful. All right.
Well, as you can see, I got some unexpected results. My old nemesis popped back up again. The loss of FPV and transmission signal and fail-safe return. Not once, but twice. And it almost seemed to be about in the same spot where it happened with the original Fimi X8 SE 2020. So I'm thinking that there is a high bit of interference there, more than likely from something going on with all the houses in the neighborhood. Question of the day. What did you think of my sport mode test with the Fimi X8 SE 2020? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.